Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the MAKA indicator for MT4. This is a straightforward arrow-based signal tool that plots both buy and sell labels with colored arrows directly on your charts whenever its internal conditions are met. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, and just like I said, on MT4, the MAKA indicator displays blue upward arrows with the buy, just like here, written clearly near bullish signals, and red downward arrows with the word sell, like over here, near bearish signals, all plotted directly on the price candles. These on-chart labels make it easy to scan back through the charts and see exactly where the indicator has previously highlighted potential buying and selling points based on its ATR driven logic and volatility filters. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The ATR time app input controls how the indicator measures volatility over time, effectively defining the look-back window it uses when assessing recent price movements. The multiplier setting adjusts how sensitive the signals are to changes in volatility. Higher multipliers require stronger moves before a buy or sell arrow appears, while lower values make signals more frequent. Text color lets you choose the color of the buy and sell wording so it stands out clearly against your chart background independently from the arrow colors. Notifications and alert settings allow you to enable pop-up, sound, email, or push alerts whenever a new buy or sell arrow is printed. So you don't need to watch the charts constantly. As for who is for, the MAKA indicator is for traders who like simple, visually obvious buy and sell prompts, blue for buy, red for sell, with minimal chart clutter. It is a visual signal tool only, does not execute trades, and its ATR based arrows should always be confirmed with your own analysis of trend, structure, and risk management rather than followed mechanically. You can download the MAKA indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It gives you clear blue and red arrows with both buy and sell text, plus ATR timer, multiplier, text color, and alert settings so you can match signal frequency and visibility to your trading style. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator breakdowns.